Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best hair dryer in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a hair dryer that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these hair dryers, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Allison, and on today's Hot Tools How-To, we're learning how to use the hairdryer to get more volume out of fine hair. Start by spritzing a heat-protecting leave-in conditioner. Then, you're ready for the new Hot Tools Signature Series hairdryer. While your hair is still damp, let's give it a quick full blast to fluff up your hair and add texture. Continue until your hair is about 80% dry. Now, put the concentrator on, which is included with your Hot Tools hairdryer, and use your round brush to set the volume in the crown. This will help to lock in volume. Once your hair is completely dry, top it off with a quick spritz of hairspray. There you go! Even fine hair can be full. All it takes is you and the Hot Tools Signature Series, because everyone deserves beautiful.
I'm going to take you from wet to dry to create a big bouncy style using the Revlon One-Step hair dryer and volumizer. Starting with wet hair, blow dry each section. To ensure the blow dry lasts, curl the section and pin it to the head. Once the hair is cool, unpin from the head.
Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is engineered so that you can adjust the heat and airflow for different hair types to protect against extreme heat damage. For thin, fine hair, or short hair, use low air and low heat. For medium density or textured hair, switch to medium air and medium heat. For thicker coarse hair, use high air and high heat for better results. For very damaged or colored hair, use low heat and adjust the airflow based on the density of the hair. When using the diffuser, adjust the heat to match the density or damage level. For highly textured hair or hair you're trying to manipulate, use high heat and adjust the airflow based on the hair's density. And with all of these hair types, don't forget to use the cold shot button to really lock in that style and shine.